Hello friends, this is Sanjeev Tal, and in this video we are going to talk about very important topic as far as literary criticism is concerned, and the name of the topic is Poetics. Poetics is a critical work by Aristotle. You know who Aristotle is? Aristotle is a Greek philosopher. You know who Aristotle is? Aristotle is a Greek philosopher. And here we shall just talk about his most important work, and the name of that work is Poetics. You know Poetics? Poetics means the art of writing poetry. In this video, we shall just talk about a brief idea of this work, Poetics. You know, Aristotle, as I told that he is a Greek philosopher. As far as his life tenure is concerned, that is from 384 BC to 322 BC. And this work Poetics, my dear students, this work Poetics contains 26 chapters. And this is a short treatise just of 45 pages, and that contains 26 chapters. And these 26 chapters are divisible into 6 parts. Now, I shall discuss in detail what are in those 6 parts. In 6 parts mein kya hai, that we shall discuss in detail. In the first part there are 6 chapters, first to 6. And these 6 chapters contain introductory remarks on poetry. The first 6 chapters that contain introductory remarks on poetry and its classification into different kind. Poetry को classify किया गया है अलग-अलग kinds में, including tragedy and comedy. And imitation is said to be the basic principle common to all the arts. तो my dear students, मैंने क्या कहा कि जो first part है, पोइटिक्स को 6 पार्ट में डिवाइड किया गया है, और जो फर्स्ट पार्ट है उसमें 6 चैप्टर्स हैं, एंड दीज 6 चैप्टर्स कंटेन इंट्रोडक्टरी रिमार्क्स ऑन पोइट्री, एंड पोइट्री इज क्लासिफाइड इनटू डिफरेंट काइंड्स इंक्लूडिंग ट्रेजेडी एंड कॉमेडी. एंड चाहे पोइट्री की जितनी भी टाइप्स हैं, जितनी भी काइंड्स हैं, जैसे ट्रेजेडी है, कॉमेडी है, देयर इमिटेशन का मतलब क्या है? नकल. Imitation is said to be the basic principle common to all the arts. My dear students, क्या होता है कि पोइटिक्स में हम पोइटिक्स को जब एमए इंग्लिश में पढ़ाया जाता है तो पहला जो पॉइंट डिस्कस किया जाता है दैट इज थ्योरी ऑफ इमिटेशन. वी शैल डिस्कस अबाउट दैट इन डिटेल इन आवर नेक्स्ट वीडियो. दिस वाज द फर्स्ट पार्ट. इन द सेकंड पार्ट ऑफ पोइटिक्स, as I told that this poetics can be divided into 6 parts. The second part that contains next 14 chapters. The second part that contains next 14 chapter. अगले 14 चैप्टर हैं, 6 से लेकर 19 तक, 6 to 19. And these 14 chapters, 6 to 19, are devoted to tragedy. The next 14 chapters, 6 to 19, are specifically devoted to tragedy. You might be knowing 26 में से जो 14 चैप्टर्स हैं, 14 जो चैप्टर हैं, these are devoted to tragedy. You know what is tragedy? Tragedy is the fall of the hero. Tragedy is the fall of the hero from prosperity to adversity. So next 14 chapters tragedy को devoted है. The definition of tragedy is given and its 6 फॉर्मेटिव एलिमेंट्स. ट्रेजेडी के जो 6 फॉर्मेटिव एलिमेंट्स हैं वो डिस्कस किए गए हैं. ट्रेजेडी के जो 6 फॉर्मेटिव एलिमेंट्स हैं वो सेकंड पार्ट में डिस्कस किए गए हैं. क्या है वो ट्रेजेडी के 6 फॉर्मेटिव एलिमेंट्स? प्लॉट, कैरेक्टर, डिक्शन, थॉट, स्पेक्टिकल, सॉन्ग. क्या बोले मैंने? ट्रेजेडी के 6 फॉर्मेटिव कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट पार्ट्स क्या हैं? प्लॉट, कैरेक्टर, diction, thought, spectacle, song. These 6 formative elements are discussed. So this was the second part. Now the third part. In the third part, there are next 3 chapters. In the third part, there are next 3 chapters, means 21st, 21st and 22nd. And in these 3 chapters are particularly devoted to discussion of poetic diction, poetic style and vocabulary. तो नेक्स्ट जो पार्ट है वो है थर्ड पार्ट, और थर्ड पार्ट में नेक्स्ट 3 चैप्टर्स 20 से 22 तक डिस्कस किए गए हैं, और वो किसको डिवोटेड हैं? टू द डिस्कशन ऑफ पोएटिक डिक्शन, पोएटिक स्टाइल एंड पोएटिक वोकैबुलरी. ओके, दिस वाज थर्ड पार्ट. नाउ द फोर्थ पार्ट. In the fourth part, there is only one chapter, and that is chapter 23rd. That is chapter 23rd. And chapter 23rd deals with narrative, poetry and tragedy. The fourth part में केवल एक chapter है, and that is chapter 23rd, that deals with narrative, poetry and tragedy. And the fifth part, in the fifth part there are 2 chapters, 24th and 26th. 25th नहीं. In the fifth part, there are 2 chapters, chapter 24th and chapter 26th. In these 2 chapters, the epic is treated in brief. In these 2 chapters, the epic is treated in brief, and that epic is compared with tragedy. You know, as far as epic is concerned, here, the manner of imitation is narration, and in tragedy, the manner of imitation is action. So in the fifth part, epic is treated in brief and compared with tragedy in chapters 24th and 26th. Now the sixth part. In the sixth part, there is chapter 25th. And in this chapter, sixth part में कौन सा chapter है? Chapter 25th. And this chapter examines the objections of critics against poetry. Objections of critics against poetry. And these objections are also answered. So my dear students, you can say that this work Poetics, that is divisible into 6 parts. 6 parts में इसको divide किया गया है, और total 26 chapters हैं, 45 pages हैं, और 26 chapters में से जो 14 chapters हैं, they are specifically devoted to tragedy. So that's why we can say that this work Poetics, this is specifically about tragedy. This is specifically about tragedy. और जब हम ये वर्क पोइटिक्स डिटेल में डिस्कस करेंगे, तो स्पेसिफिकली वी शैल डिस्कस 4 मेन पॉइंट्स. द फर्स्ट इज theory of imitation, or you can say theory of mimesis. The second is plot. Plot is said to be the soul of tragedy. Plot is said to be the soul of tragedy. We shall discuss about 3 types of plot: simple plot, complex plot, and episodic plot. We shall discuss about catharsis. We shall discuss about ideal tragic hero. These are some main points. या क्या कहा मैंने? Theory of imitation means theory of mimesis. I talked about plot, then ideal tragic hero, and then catharsis. I will discuss about these points in my next video. So in this video, my dear students, I have just talked about very important part, and that is poetics. Poetics is a work by Aristotle. यहाँ पर मैंने पोइटिक्स का एक ब्रीफ व्यू आपको दिया है, और इससे पहले वाले वीडियो में मैंने पोइटिक्स में से ही एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट आपके साथ डिस्कस किया था, एंड दैट इज हेमार्शिया. सो माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, इफ यू लाइक दिस वीडियो, देन यू कैन सब्सक्राइब. आई रिक्वेस्ट ऑल ऑफ यू कि प्लीज सब्सक्राइब माय यूट्यूब चैनल, एंड इफ यू वांट टू सब्सक्राइब माय कोर्स, then please send your name and your WhatsApp number on my WhatsApp number, which is calling here 720-620-9562. Thank you. Thanks a lot.